All right, welcome to the New York, New York, you all. Place so awesome, they had to name it twice. Now we're in the facsimile version, right? The copy, the exaggerated, semi-fake version here in Las Vegas. And I mean, if you've ever been to New York and you love the Art Deco style decoration, this place has got it right here in its registration area. It's so beautiful. I love it. Now, the New York property is quite big, actually. I'd say it's somewhere between a mid to large size casino. You got everything that you need here, all the trappings of a great casino. You got shows, you got an amazing hotel. As you can see here, you got lots of gambling and super convenient on the strip. And in fact, if you walk right out here from the main entrance here, right, this is where you check in. You're already right on the street. And is that it doesn't take 20 minutes to find your way to the front door to explore the strip. That ceiling, man, look at that. At night, I bet it looks amazing. You absolutely should explore the Vegas Strip if you're coming out here. Now, it's been a long time since I've been here. A good number of years, definitely before the pandemic. I would say decoration-wise, everything looks just about the same. I mean, a couple of the new changes, as you can see right up there. One is there's a new show called The Mad Apple from Cirque du Soleil. Haven't seen it yet, but I definitely want to check it out. That being said, I don't feel like this place really needs much of a major makeover. It was well designed beforehand. Everything's upkept really well. As you can see here, it's just everything's upkept here really well. It's just really gorgeous. I mean, look at this, right? Right here in the middle, place where you can do a little tabletop gaming, get a drink or two. Now they have a lot of these circular type of designs for bars and a lot of different casino resorts, but this one in particular, I just love the design. It's very open, doesn't feel like you have to, work your way in and close or secret. It's just really nice. Let's see, which way do we go? There's so many ways to go. I like the fact that they have signs here that look like, street signs in New York. One of my favorite things here is actually the fake streets of New York. There's a couple hotels here that have that kind of fake street feel. One is here in New York. Another one is in the Venetian, where they have the indoor atrium. Another one is Planet Hollywood, the whole mall area. It used to be themed around Aladdin, the Middle East, and another one in Paris. So those are the four that I know about. If there's other ones, let me know. I might have forgotten one or two. So we've walked down this way before. Oh, I love it. The only problem with this place is that it's too clean. You know what I'm saying? It's just too clean for me to feel like, yeah, I'm in New York. And then second, it lacks that distinct, how would you say, street smell of New York. And ironically enough, it's more quiet here than the casino floor, and New York streets, noisy all the time. Honking and bustling. Now it's not actually that big. Like, we just kind of walked through about half of it already, so. But it's worth coming back here because this is where all the good eats are. Oh, I haven't seen this place before. This looks new to me. Tom's Watch Bar. like a sports bar here. Oh, that's it. Oh man, did I just walk by their sports book here? It is. Alright, this is New York Sportsbook, which honestly is just hidden away back here in a corner. It's really, really small, as you can see here. And that's it. Yeah, if you're a sports bookie, you love sports betting, this is not the place to go for this kind of entertainment here. Alright, a casino resort that's themed after New York, where you gotta have a deli place. And this place here, Greenberg's Deli, pretty legit. We ate here before. They give it to you massive style, as you can see, which is how they serve it in New York. Prices, however, it's definitely not cheap here. $15 for a sandwich. Actually, you know what? $15 for a sandwich with the amount of meat that you get here, I'm not gonna complain. It actually is not too bad. Considering we were in another place recently, I won't name it. There was a Nathan's there. 2 hot dogs and a soda, $15. Those are hot dogs, my man. $15. Hell to the no. FYI, if you go out this way, you will be out on the street facing the MGM, Park MGM, which I'm going to recommend, right? If you really actually want good Italian food, because I realize, you know, Italian food oftentimes is very closely related to New York because of the number of Italians there. Much better if you go across the street to Italy, right there. The Italian food there is so much better than what you get here. West Side Story up over here. Pretty cool, huh? You know, this place gives me hope that if we ever do have a nuclear war and we have to live underground in a bunker, that they could recreate life, perhaps one block at a time, in that underground bunker. So maybe I won't miss New York too much because I got this fake version. And hey, maybe the smells of New York are overrated and the noise. So maybe they took away all the things that we really don't want anyways. They have a huge Swatch store over here. Is Swatch still a great brand? I mean, I remember when I was younger, and I'm talking high school, that Swatch was like all the freaking rage. Everyone wanted those watches. Now, I don't know. If you're all in the fashion scene, let me know, especially the watches. Are Swatches still cool? Just like in other casinos now, you see a lot of these digital table games like blackjack and craps. This is two of the more popular ones that I've seen everywhere. In fact, if you see right here, crowded all the way around, all these digital games, and it's nearly packed, almost every seat taken here. I would say there's one advantage to this, even though you kind of lose some of that, what I would call, fun community vibe when you're playing together, right? The crowd noise, everyone hooping and hollering together. Playing this way feels less stressful if you've never played before. You kind of need to go at your own pace and you're trying to figure things out. You know, if you got a bunch of other people who are gambling, they're on a roll, they're kind of in a rhythm. Yeah, it can be stressful them go like, hey, hurry up, man, what are you trying to do? Like, for instance, my wife would totally get stressed out trying to play a game like this with a bunch of people in real time if they're trying to make, you know, decisions and trying to move the game along. She stresses me out just ordering food in a restaurant. It takes forever for her. Nice. All right, they got an Irish bar, which is, I know it's New York, but you know, a lot of the Irish did settle in New York in its early days, so you cannot deny the cultural impact here. Look at this decoration, I love it. It's beautiful. All right, that's nice. Again, Art Deco, if you like that kind of thing. Up around here, there's some good eateries, food court style, which is a little weird because I know when we came in, we initially saw Nathan's. It's like a one-off Nathan's there, nothing else to eat there. You might think, well, where do we go eat? Well, up over here, separated from Nathan's. Come to Las Vegas to buy I Love New York shirts.